If you're ever in Japan and you love nail art, you have to visit Nail TAT. They're a Japanese nail supply chain with stores all over Japan, and if you know anything about Japanese nail art, you know they have some of the most high quality polishes and tools. Not only does Nail TAT sell professional grade nail supplies, it's open to the public so anyone like you and I can easily go and pick up some supplies. During my trip to Japan, I visited their Ginza location, which had everything. They have everything from cuticle oil, peel-off bases, to different nail gems and stickers. They mainly carry Japanese brands, so there's a lot of different brands and collections for you to choose from. Almost all of the polishes had samples and catalogs for you to look through. And if you have any questions, their staff is also super helpful. I honestly spent way too long here as there's just so much different brands and offerings to choose from. You really can't go wrong with whichever brand you end up buying because they are all super high quality and professional grade polishes, so it's all up to your personal preference on what you're looking to stock up on. I honestly went through so many of these catalogs to decide which polishes to get. I ended up grabbing a few from Lem. Their colors are a lot more neutral and I can definitely put these to use. Not to mention, I was really inspired by the samples they had up, and it does come in pots, so it's much easier to get creative with your designs. Lily Gel is also another one of my favorite brands because their packaging is just so cute. Prior to coming here, I already knew I wanted to pick up some of their Sugar Series gels because they're perfect for jelly nails. Aside from polishes, they have a plethora of nail stickers and gems. Their nail stickers are definitely a lot more pricier than, say, AliExpress, but the print and overall quality was definitely much better. I really like their floral selections as they're much more timeless and simple than that of the ones you can find on Amazon and AliExpress. Again, they really have everything you need for nails here. I probably spent over an hour shopping here. If you're a licensed manicurist, make sure to have a picture of your license so that you can get a professional discount. They do not do tourist tax free here, so be prepared to pay full price and tax if you're not licensed. But nonetheless, if you love doing your nails, you have to come here. Here's a quick haul on everything I bought. I picked up a few items that I wanted to try out and a few things you can't really get on Amazon or AliExpress. First are these Lem polishes. I got a neutral beige color and a sage green. I also picked up two Lily Gel shades from their Sugar Series, the Veil Pink and Veil Blue. They give your nails that perfect nice sheen, which is absolutely gorgeous. I also got this boba gel, which is essentially just hard 3D gel that you can mold and shape into whatever shape you like. So this is perfect for making those 3D nail arts that's all over Instagram. As for decors, I got a few nail stickers to play around with along with some dried flowers. Dry flower nail art has been trending in Japan, so I really wanted to get some to try myself. I also got these puff sticks, which are essentially cone powder, but they come in this handy pen form so you can precisely place your cone powder without making a mess. And lastly, I picked up some basic. I first got this magnetic nail polish by Lem. I've been seeing this all over my feed for those velvet nails, so really excited to try this. And while I'm there, I also picked up some peel off base gel, and I also got a non-wipe top coat so that I don't have to wipe off the sticky residue afterwards. It's honestly just for convenience. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I got. I really wish I picked up a few more items, but I had very limited luggage space, so I will definitely be back. And if you're in Japan, you can always search them up on Google and check out their website for the nearest location near you. And that's it for this video. I know it's a short one, but I really wanted to share this place with you all. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!